Here we are, MMT's got that monster Google right there. There's that Apple down over here. Here's that Green Mountain Coffee, kind of like ticking in the background here. Better put that over here where I can see it. Um, that way I can see the bid and the ask. Um, the things that we're going to feature on is that Google has a gap, as it should, $5 premium gap. Now, the 600 call, the 605 call, the 600 1119 call will be marked up. Once they get marked up, the way that the trade management will work, MMTs, is as follows, is that they mark them up, and if the stock drops the bid down within the opening print price volatility in that first 15 minutes, meaning that people walk away, bam, they come down, and we put very conservative orders out on these, but they're going to mark them up in value. They marked this one down $6. 980 was a high on that 605, and you're right here at that strike price 605 on that call. Of course, that premium is going to move different. And Green Mountain Coffee is ticking down to 45.78 right now, here and now. We're going into that opening bell. Cancel the 45 entries and go back to the 43.50 entries now. Okay? Because of the gap down, I'm sorry I have to interrupt. Yeah, well, you can change it, you guys. Put it up there at 15.50 or whatever. Because if they sell it down, you're going to want to, they got to give you the best opening high print on your put options. So you got the $60 put, so go ahead and get that out there. Now let's get back over here. They're going to mark up that see that 620 put. They had marked those things up. I can tell you that the close is 1920. They're going to mark this side down. They're going to mark that 610 put down, and they're going to mark down the 605 put. So we're really going to be watching this 605. And there's a 605 call. Here's a 605 put, 1111. 605 call, which expires on 11/11. That's tomorrow, Friday. 605 put over here at 11/11 expires when? Expires tomorrow on Friday. Price action MMTs. Mark the put side down. Mark up the call. When the stock pulls back, that's where we're looking for that tight ass entry. And yes, the bids are a premium based on the $5 gap. Because even the bids that you have out there, MMTs, they're going to gap. They're going to mark this up, every one of them, here on the opening bell. And the opening bell will be in 4 minutes. And we will be battling this Google. Remember, Google is going to get up there to that 620, 625 handle at some time. The Greek debt's out of the way. The Italian debt's doing better overnight. We already showed you what was leading the leaderboard. Here's that gap down, $21 on that Green Mountain Coffee. We're short that one. Got that gap down on that gap open list. The leaderboard price line is diminishing in its gap, and Google is 4.55. Look at that Baidu again. Once again, this is that recap. But once again, MMTs, they're going to mark down the put side. They're going to mark up the call. When the stock pulls back, we're going to be there with conservative entries on the opening bell. Here and now, it's going to open in 3 minutes, and we'll update you